These are fun questions. It definitely got me thinking.
Hello everyone, I'm Apur from Analytics Vidhya, and I'm thrilled to kick off our new expert talk series, Rapid Fire with AI Leaders. In this expert talk, we put AI leaders to test with some fun and intriguing questions. Joining us today is the data doctor, Andrew Madson. Welcome, Andrew.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here.
So, Andrew, we are going to have 3 rounds in this discussion. And the first one is faster than LLM. As the name suggests, you have to be faster than today's large language models. Good to start, Andrew?
Let's start.
So the first question is, which is your go-to Gen AI tool these days?
I use ChatGPT for coding, I use Claude for writing, and I use Perplexity for research.
Very interesting, Andrew. You use 3 different tools for 3 different purposes. So let's move to the next question. And this is a very interesting question for me as well. Which is your favorite data type to work with?
Text. I love working with text and strings.
Oh, nice. Text data set. The next question is, with generative AI, is it true that anyone can be a data analyst?
Yes.
Oh, that was really rapid. Moving on to the next question. So now the students, your students, and students all across the world have access to Gen AI tools. What is the biggest challenge for professors?
Teaching students how to use the tool.
Interesting. So that brings us to the last question of this round. Where do you think that current generative AI tools still lack when it comes to data analysis?
Providing context and business knowledge around their responses.
Andrew, that brings us to the end of this round. And I'm pleased to tell you, you are doing really, really well. Now it's time to move to our second round. The second round is this or that. As the name suggests, Andrew, you have to pick out of 2 options given to you. You have to pick your favorite, and there's no second guessing. Shall we get started?
Let's do it.
Number 1, Gemini or ChatGPT?
Gemini.
Google or Meta?
Google.
Professor or corporate leader?
Corporate leader.
Interesting. Tableau or Power BI?
Power BI.
Wow. I think this is a tough one. Wrong data or missing data?
Missing data.
So you prefer to work with missing data, that's right?
Absolutely.
Makes sense. Elon Musk or Sam Altman?
Sam Altman.
Scatterplots or histograms?
Scatterplot.
All right. Chatbots or human customer service agents?
Chatbots.
That got you thinking, didn't it?
It did.
Statistics or machine learning?
It's the same thing.
AI agents or chatbots?
AI agents.
I think, Andrew, you are really killing it. In this round, I think you're even faster than the last round. I'm sure you have collected a lot of rapids.
These are fun questions.
All right, Andrew, that brings us to our last round. I think this round will require you to think a little bit more. This round is called Tag It. Basically, I will name our tech product, be it a company or an actual product. And you have to give a tagline for that particular product. For example, if I say OpenAI, you may say something like the world of GPTs. Perfect, shall we get started?
Yes.
Okay, so the first one is Sora.
See the world.
Okay, the next one is Microsoft Excel.
The backbone of business.
Right. NVIDIA.
Powering the future.
Hugging Face.
I'd say the open door to the future of AI.
Lastly, Python.
The language that does everything.
Andrew, I'm really impressed with some of the taglines you came up with. I think some of them are actually better than the original ones.
That's right. Trademark.
How do you think you performed?
We'll see. No, it was fun either way. It definitely got me thinking.
All right, Andrew, I think you scored 15 rapids in this session.
Fantastic.
I'm sure our listeners would really enjoy going through your answers and find a lot of interesting insights. Thanks again for doing this.
Love it. Thank you for having me.